In this tutorial, we will see how to set up a builder membrane around the protein for simulation. For this tutorial, we will a beta peptide 1.iyt retrieved from PDB databank. Before constructing the membrane, let's fix the protein using Fix Protein menu, which will fill missing side chains and atoms. Open the Membrane Builder window under Tools, ND Simulation tab. Membrane Builder window will let you construct the membrane using desired lipid molecules, construct the simulation box, fill water, and ions. Please note, for membrane simulations, you don't have to separately preprocess the protein using Preprocess tab. Membrane Builder itself does preprocessing, ready for simulation. Before building the membrane, click Preprocess tab at the top of the Membrane Builder window. This will produce an arbitrary simulation box for placing the membrane. AstraBioSuite offers wide range of single lipid type or preset mixed lipid bilayers, including plasma membrane-like or endoplasmic reticulum-like membrane. Either you can use the default amount, or you can modify the percent composition of lipids in each category. After selecting the membrane type, click Show Membrane Preview. This will create an arbitrary membrane placement box in the viewer. Please note, if your protein has a membrane pore, like in case of membrane transporter protein, click the checkbox that says Check if your protein has membrane pore. Now for placing the membrane in the right position, give two residues as anchors. You can do this by simply selecting the residue box and click the residue of your interest directly from the viewer. You can also adjust and rotate the protein to align with the membrane. For this tutorial, we will select two residues from either end of the peptide. Once residues are selected, click Center from Anchors. This will align the membrane in the desired position. Please note you can also rotate the membrane position using the slider to fit the membrane at the desired position. Once everything is set, click Save Membrane Position and the Build Membrane. Membrane Builder uses PackMall workflow for building membrane. Depending on the size of the protein and membrane box, membrane building will take its time to construct the membrane. Membrane Builder workflow. After constructing the membrane, will perform a short energy minimization, followed by equilibration before producing the final output. Once the membrane building is completed, the viewer gets updated automatically with the final output.